Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. Actually, I'm here because I want to do the presentation in course DBM 10013 and my lecturer's name is Puan Faridah binti OTHMAN. Today, I want to do the presentation about the main topic is vector product of two vector. And first of all, let me introduce myself and my group. First, my name is Muhammad Akmal bin Abdul Rahim and my matrix number is 14DKA21F1048. And second, Muhammad IKHWANNUDDIN bin Muhammad ZUKI and the matrix number is 14DKA21F1063. And the third, Muhammad Irfan bin Fadhzail Ahmad and the matrix number is 14DKA21F1027. And the lastly is DANISH equal with SHAMSUL HANAFI and the matrix number is 14DKA21F1014. Okay, let's go to the introduce cross product or vector product. The first point is combination of two vectors to get a vector, and the second point is the cross or vector product of vectors as A equal A1i plus A2j plus A3k and B equal B1i plus B2j plus B3k can be written as A multiply B equal ijk A1 A2 A3 B1 B2 B3. And the next step is, if you want to get the answer of I, you need to close the part of I and just take part of J and K. So the answer is A2, A3, B2, B3. And if you want to get the answer of J, you need to close the part of J and just take part of I and K. So the answer is A3, A1, A3, B1, B3. And the last, if you want to get the answer of K, you need to close part of K and just take part of I and J. And you will get A1, A2, B1, B2. And the final answer, you will get A2, B3 minus A3, B2, I minus A1 B3 minus A3 B1 J plus A1 B2 minus B1 K. Okay, that's all from me. I hope you all understand. Okay, I pass to Mama Irfan.
Thank you, Akmal. Now I will continue for example 1, which is the question is x equal to 3i plus 4j plus 5k and y is equal to I plus 2j minus k. By using the formula as given to Akmal, we will get x multiply by y is equal to I, j, k. First, we must put the first equation, which is 3, 4, and 5. Second, put the second equation, which is y, and we get 1, 2, and minus 1. And then we need to put it, arrange it. First is for the I. We will get this one is 4, 5, 2, and negative 1. So put it in there. 2 and negative 1. Next, we move on to J, which is this one and this one. Now, it's negative. It must be negative. 3, and this one. Next is for K, which is on this side. Not seen enough. Which gonna be plus K 3, 1, 4, 2. Then we must solve it. For this, we're gonna get I box. 4 is multiplied by 1 minus 5 multiplied by 2 and close it. Next is negative j. Get 3 multiplied by 1 minus 5 multiplied by 1. Next is k is multiply 3 multiplied by 2 minus 4 multiplied by 1. And then if we use the calculator and solve it, we're going to get I is multiplied by negative 14 and then negative j multiplied by negative 8 positive plus k multiplied by 2. But we're not done yet. We must arrange it back to its by using the formula. We must arrange it. So we can I multiplied by 14, we're gonna get negative 14i. This is negative negative. By multiply, we're gonna get positive. Then we're gonna get 8j, positive 8j. And this is positive 2. Okay. So that is the last answer. Okay. That's only from me. Now I will pass it to IKHWAN to continue. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Mohamad IKHWANNAQIUDDIN bin Muhammad ZUKI. My matrix number 14DKA21F1063. So, thank you to Irfan. So, I will continue to the next example. My next example is given P is 2i negative 3j plus k and Q is negative 2i plus j plus k. So, he want P time Q. So first we need to change to the matrix method with j with unknown j, I with I and k with k. So I is 2 and negative 2, for j is negative 3 and 1, and k is 1 and 1. So for the next step is we need to time. So we need to change lah. Okay, if we start with I, so we ignore I and we time for j and k. So ignore I for we need to get I, and but we ignore I. So negative 3 times 1 and 1 times 1 we get from j and k. So I is negative 3, 1 and 1 1. For the j, we ignore j and we get I and k. So 2, 1, negative 2 and 1. For k is 2, negative 2, 2, negative 3, negative 2 and 1. So we time with cross. So after that we get a negative. For I, negative minus 4j plus 8k. So that's the final answer. For the next question is given R 3i minus j plus 2k and S 5j plus 2k. So this same like the other one. So first step we must put back the from the question to the matrix method. So this is important because it will give your mark if you write in the paper. So first step is I is 3 and 0, j is negative 3, negative 1 and 5, k is 2 and 2. So we separate it. I is negative 1, 2, 5 and 2. And next is minus j 3, 2, 0, 2 plus k 3, negative 1, 0, 5. So we cross negative 2, negative 2, negative 2 time negative 2, negative 10 I minus 6 minus 0 j plus 15 minus 10 minus 0 k. So we get the final answer is negative 12i negative 6j plus 50k. So that's all for me. Thank you. I will give to Danish to finish the conclusion.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Danish Ikwan bin Shamsul Hanafi. My matric number is 14DKA21F 1014. I want to present about conclusion vector product. You must learn well the formulas given above. This better you know the formula. If you forget the formula have a formula sheet. Don't make mistake when calculate. If you make a mistake, you can lose a lot of marks. Make sure you must remember the formula of vector product. This is example the formula vector product. One of the ways in which two vectors can be combined is known as the vector product. When we calculate the vector product of two vectors, the result, as the name suggests, is a vector. In this unit, we will learn how to calculate the vector product and make some geometrical applications. The vector product is not commutative. We shall not prove this result. Here we shall use it later on when we develop an alternative formula for finding the vector product. That's all from us. Thank you.